These are the visitors. The clicks are the visitors. What are they? The visitors. These visitors are going to come to your website, which essentially looks like, can you pull up on a new tab, please? So again, that's your affiliate link. That's your affiliate link. Any person that clicks on your link and they buy today or in 30 days or 60 days, you will still get paid because a cookie gets installed in their computer. So anytime that they go back and buy, you still get paid. So this, now, can we, okay, so scroll down a little bit longer, down. I just click on this one. Go, just hit. Now, stay, don't do anything. This is where the magic happens, because this is what's called your leads. Okay, when people come in, this is your squeeze page, your capture page. We squeeze their email address. This is also your asset. Okay, your job is to build this asset. It's a digital asset. And I'll tell you right now, if you want to go and make £50,000 a month, how would you do that? You go buy a bunch of properties, like lots of different investments. Most of them would require a lot of upfront cash. When you have a list of asset, it's as simple as sending a couple of emails to the right offer. Is this making sense? So from 500 visitors, we would get, this is the squeeze page. People will come and click here. They will then give us the name and email address. This is our asset. How many people would give us? From 500 people, how many people will give us the details? Anyone? Snap? 10? Gosh, gotta get that lawyer a bit more optimistic. Okay. 200. Why would you say 200? Because you've been paying more attention than Snap. Okay, so here's why you're going to get that number. Usually, if you try to do this yourself, you'd maybe get 10% opt-in rate. With our pages, how much? I mean, he's the guy. How much? 70%. Okay, 40% to 70%. So let me walk you guys through this. 40 to 70%. Now, if 40% of people opted in from 500 clicks, how many leads would we get? Snap. Okay, and what about if we had 70? 350. So, you now have 200 to 350 leads. Okay? The goal is to get as many leads as we can. Get the lead. Okay? GTL. That's what you say. GTL. Get the lead. Okay? When you have GTL, when you get the lead, then, by the way, do most people online, would they just go ahead and buy your stuff right now? Some people will, some people won't. What do? We follow up. How long do we follow up? Until they buy or they die. Okay, that's it. Yes, until they buy or they die or until they unsubscribe. What a good guy. Anyway, my mentor Dan Kennedy taught me you follow up with prospects until they unsubscribe or they buy or they die. Okay, so thanks for joining my sales funnel. For the rest of your life, you're going to get offers until you unsubscribe. Now, I would not even recommend you unsubscribe. Why? Because when I send a postage to your house, and you look at it and you say, wow, this guy is giving me this offer this month, just so you know, I've probably paid somebody 10 or 20 grand just to craft that offer to send to your house. Does that make sense? Copywriters, that's why I said on the first day, copywriters are some of the most highly paid people on the planet. These people sometimes make $50,000 for one letter. 5 years ago, I paid somebody, how much I pay Nido? 6 or 8 grand? 6 to 8 grand. And he's my friend. I paid a young Somalian man $6,000 to $8,000 to write me a letter. The letter sold a $40,000 program. That letter till today still works for me. That letter has also brought in over $6 million cash in my business. Who'd spend $6,000 to go make 6 million? By the way, that is called a digital asset. So you will be able to leverage those digital assets that I spend money on. Now, when people don't buy, we email follow-up. Humayun, do you have the code for the email follow-up? Please do that. So I'm going to log into one of my autoresponder accounts. Okay, I have about 6 of them. He's going to log into one of them, and you will see what these email follow-ups are. And these email follow-ups are what gets the money. Who writes the email? You or me? Me. Okay, I spend a lot of time writing these emails, and you get to leverage these emails. If you wanted to write these emails yourself, it would take you 30 to 60 minutes per day. Don't worry, I've written them for you. You just plug and play. So, again, we get 500 visitors into our website. From the website or the sales funnel, they go and they become a lead. At 40%, we get 200 leads. At 70%, we get 350 leads. And remember what I talked about. How much is each lead worth to you? At least how much? Okay, each lead is worth minimum of $1 per subscriber. $1 per subscriber per month. You want to make 10 grand a month? Focus on getting 10,000 subscribers. How much is 10,000 subscribers going to cost you? Well, just work it out. If you're getting 40% opt-in rate, 10,000 subscribers would cost you how much? How much? 10,000 subscribers. So let's just say if you got 200 subscribers, I'll just make it easier for you guys. Each subscriber, you should spend no more than $3 to $4. So if you wanted to get 10,000 subscribers, which will get you an income of about $10,000 a month, 10,000 times 3 is $30,000. So if you spend $30,000 and you get 10,000 subscribers, you should be able to make 10 grand a month. How much is that in a year? $120,000 minus your $30,000 ad spend, which is still $90,000.